Welcome everyone. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the course outline and structure. In this course, we take a structured and practical approach to learning demand planning and forecasting. The goal is not just to understand concepts, but also to help you build, evaluate, and present forecasts in a way that reflects real-world business scenarios. Let me walk you through how the course is structured. The course is divided into 13 modules. Module 1 to 2 focus on the fundamentals and foundations. Module 1 is the course overview. This is where we are right now. And in Module 2, we'll do a quick introduction to demand planning. You'll understand what demand planning really is, how forecasting works in organizations, and why forecasting is important for businesses. This section builds the foundation for everything that follows. Next, we'll move into forecasting itself. In Module 3, we will explore some commonly used forecasting techniques. We'll look into moving average analysis, time series forecasting, simple and multiple linear regression. Along with the concepts, we will also learn how to implement these techniques in Microsoft Excel. Then in Module 4, Forecast Segmentation and Governance, we'll take it a step further by understanding why different products require different forecasting approaches and how to apply the right technique based on the business context. We will also cover forecast governance and understand how forecasting is typically managed in organizations. Once you understand the techniques, we'll move into implementation. In Module 5, you'll build a fully automated forecasting model in Excel. In this model, once you input actual historical data and select appropriate forecasting techniques, the model will automatically generate a 12-month rolling forecast. This reflects how forecasting models are built in real business environments and also helps to strengthen your Excel skills. Next, we're going to focus on preparing and structuring data for visualization. In Module 6, we set the stage for how forecasts should be presented, and also we'll get an introduction to Power BI. Then in Modules 7 and 8, we're going to cover Power Query and data modeling, where you will learn how to clean and transform data, combine multiple files, and build scalable data models. This module will give us essential learning for working with real-world complex datasets. After that, we move into analysis and visualization. In Module 9, Introduction to DAX, you'll learn how calculations work in Power BI. DAX is a key part of Power BI. Having a strong understanding of DAX will help you create advanced measures such as accuracy metrics and comparisons between different forecast cycles. In Module 10, Business Presentation and Visualization Principles, we'll focus on learning how to design clear and effective visuals and avoid unnecessary complexity. Finally, in Module 11, you'll bring everything together by building an interactive dashboard in Power BI. This dashboard will allow you to compare forecast numbers across different forecast cycles and support in decision making. In final part of the course, we focus on performance evaluation. In Module 12, Accuracy and Performance Analysis, you'll learn how to measure forecast performance using forecast error and bias. And in the final module, you'll apply these concepts to build dynamic accuracy dashboards, compare forecasts across different periods, and generate actionable insights. By the end of this course, you'll have a complete understanding of demand planning, from building forecasts to analyzing performance and presenting insights. The course is designed to be practical, structured, and easy to follow, so you can apply these skills directly in your work. Let's get started.